why did you decide to enroll your daughter in River Tech over other schools in the area?
Because of several things. First of all, the way you guys do your curriculum, it's based on their levels. So if Victoria is doing really well at reading and she's excelling, she's going to go, I guess, up a grade per se. And if she's struggling, say, in math, then you're going to work with her until she gets it, and then she's ready to go to the next step. We love that scenario because we felt like she would get lost in a school where, your normal school, where even if it's 16, 20 kids, they're all learning the same way. We love that. Plus all the other extracurricular, what you do with film, art. We can't take our kids out of this world, and with all the technology, I loved how you guys teach it in a healthy way, because she's gonna be surrounded by it for the rest of her life, and I think that's extremely important. After meeting with Dan, the principal, we were very confident, and just like I said, we felt like it was the perfect fit. When we looked online, you guys did a wonderful job of details of what you were all about. And we felt like actually being part of that startup, she was part of the startup with her pre-K. So she was used to startups, and it was a perfect fit. She loves coming to school. It's been a great help at home. We have watched her, especially her reading, just elevate in these last few months. She's not as intimidated as she once was. If there was a word she couldn't read, she would just say, "I can't read this whole thing." She doesn't do that anymore. She'll just ask for help, and she actually usually figures it out before we help her.
Great.
So that's probably the biggest influence is seeing her in the reading. The other thing I would mention too is you guys have, each kid have a tablet, but what I love about it is its creativity. She's learned how to do stories on it. She makes her own stories. It's great to see that creativity coming out. If you're looking for a different than what is out there, this is it. And from what I've heard from other parents, their kids are loving it too. Kids who may not have liked school are loving school. That's the testimonies I'm hearing from several parents.